Been in an accident or need auto body work? Call Ben Auto Body at 978-551-0020. We are the #1 collision repair shop in Lowell, Massachusetts, and work with all auto insurance providers. We'll get your vehicle looking like new and back on the road again. Our friendly and trained service technicians use only the highest quality paint and parts. All service work is backed with a lifetime warranty and completed fast and to your satisfaction. We provide free towing, free drop-off and pickup, and rental car assistance. We also handle the entire insurance claim for you. We are located at 771 Dutton Street, Lowell, Massachusetts, 01854. Hours of operation, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Saturday, 8 to 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Sunday, by appointment only. Website, www.benoutobodylowell.com. Call today, 978-551-0020.